Which is better, Skrill or PayPal? Two of the most widely used online payment platforms are Skrill and PayPal. Both have their unique advantages and drawbacks, and the best choice for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. Before delving into a detailed comparison, it's crucial to note a few intriguing facts about these platforms. First, Skrill was founded in 2001 as Moneybookers, later rebranding in 2011. It is primarily popular in Europe, especially in countries like Germany and Austria. PayPal, on the other hand, was launched in 1999 and quickly gained global prominence. It's particularly well known in the United States and is often integrated into online marketplaces like eBay. Now, let's dive into the core of the comparison. One of the primary factors to consider when choosing between Skrill and PayPal is the fees associated with each platform. While both platforms charge fees for various transactions, there are some differences. PayPal generally has lower fees for domestic transactions, especially in the United States. However, for international transactions, Skrill may offer more competitive rates, particularly for those sending money to countries where PayPal's fees are higher. Another important aspect to consider is the range of features and services offered by each platform. PayPal is often seen as more versatile, with a wider range of features. It's integrated into many online stores and marketplaces, making it convenient for online shopping. PayPal also offers additional services like invoicing, mass payments, and charity donations. Skrill, while not as widely integrated, has its own set of features, including multi-currency accounts, prepaid cards, and a loyalty program. When it comes to security, both Skrill and PayPal have robust measures in place to protect user data and prevent fraud. However, there have been instances of fraud and account hacks on both platforms. It's essential to be vigilant and follow best practices for online security, such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Customer support is another crucial factor to consider. Both platforms offer customer support, but the quality and responsiveness can vary. Many users have reported mixed experiences with both Skrill and PayPal's customer support. It's advisable to research user reviews and experiences to get a better sense of the level of customer service you can expect. In terms of user experience, both Skrill and PayPal are generally user-friendly. However, some users may find one platform's interface more intuitive or easier to navigate than the other. Personal preferences play a significant role in determining which platform offers a better user experience. Ultimately, the choice between Skrill and PayPal depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you primarily shop online and need a platform that's widely accepted by merchants, PayPal might be a better option.